And welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale a gorgeous Honda CB400SS with a few extras on it, like the exhaust, which is really beautiful, nice to have on this type of bike. Only 13,000 kilometers from new. It's 2007. Front tire is perfect, no need of changing. Front mudguard is good. Some little signs of pitting here, but nothing too major. Front gaiters here are good. Front forks are good. Original front indicators, clocks are good as well. Nice chrome mirrors. Here you can see the full exhaust system. Full exhaust system, not just a muffler. Just gorgeous. Kickstart and electric start on her. CB400SS. Side covers are lovely. Original pillion rear pegs. Rear alloy is good, as well as the rear tyre. Seat is very good. Little mark here on the left hand side. It's the original Honda. You can see we've done a little bit of repair on her, but it's all good to go. 2007, like I said. Rear shock is good, rear chain guard is good, the chain and sprocket are also good. And then the engine cover is in really good condition. Tank is absolutely mint. No marks on her at all. And in the front, 13,860 kilometers, so baby mileage on her. Does have aftermarket rear indicators, but apart from that, that's it. Bar ends on the end of the handlebars. That's it for the visual analysis. We'll now move on to the ride along video. Alright, we're away on the Honda CB400SS in black with the aftermarket exhaust. At some stage in the video I'm going to put in the idle and of the bike with this aftermarket exhaust on it. It's a really beautiful sound, nice and crisp. It's not one of those cheap sounding exhausts that you get. A lot of the times you get those they're just crap, they're just fart noises coming out of the back of a bike, but this one is really crisp. I think it's because it's the full exhaust system and not just the muffler at the end. Again, we're going past this poor old biker. This poor old biker who's crashed. I don't know what's happened, but there's a crash anyway. There we're going, here we go. But yeah, she's really lovely. Going through the gears is it. She is A2 learner legal, so if you want to do your A2 license, you can get on this bike, go straight to the license centre, do your test and get on, ride it again. It's not boring. You know, you get a lot of these people say, oh, you get it on a 250 or you get bored of it in 2 minutes. We have a lady who bought one of these and she said she'd never get on another bike. But really gorgeous. Watch out for this person coming out. Really lovely bike. Big fan of the CB400SS. We actually had three of them, sorry. We actually had 3 of them, but we sold the other 2 straight away, even without advertising them, so I think this is going to be a fairly popular little bike. We'll go over here. The seating height position is very low, so girls and smaller men can definitely fit on this, no problem, no worries about that. 13,861 kilometers on the clock. Indicators working, everything's perfect on our 2 keys. HISS security system, 2007 bike, kickstart and electric start, so if you get caught out it'll still kickstart. Really popular bike. Every single one that we've got in has been gone within the first week of advertising, and it's no surprises. The looks of the bike is lovely. It kind of mixes the old and modern, so you get the modern engine, electric start, and you get that classic look off it. The nice upright seating position, great for town. Everyone looks at you with the exhaust and look at you even more. I think it's essential to have an exhaust on bikes. I just don't really know why you wouldn't get an exhaust. You're a bit louder, it makes the bike a bit more enjoyable even when you're not doing big speeds. So you can kind of tip around going up to 50, up to 50, 60 kilometers an hour. It's much more fun when you have a little exhaust. But anyway, we'll skip past these lights and we'll get onto the straight here. She sounds great with that. We're probably I probably have already clipped into the sound of the idle there when I cut to the light, but it sounded idle and sounded when you're giving it a bit of a poke. But she's really lovely. I love these 400SS's. It was one of I hadn't ridden very many bikes about 3-4 years ago. This is one of my first bikes that I got on and went, wow, it's a big difference over a lot of the quality, the feel of everything, the brakes. You know, there's a real quality that you can feel in this bike that you don't feel in a lot of bikes, especially under the 600 cc mark. Jeez, I hope the light stays with me. It's getting a bit dark. My camera mightn't be able to pick up the nicest image quality for you guys, but you know, I've been very, very surprised with the attention that we've got in this new shipment. We've gone up about 200 or 300 followers on our Facebook page, 100 on our Instagram. We've gone from 250 to over 550 subscribers in the last 2 months, so we're really kind of getting a bit of traction now after 3 years being in business. We've got some good reviews, it helps us, and we're kind of motoring along. We did have a bit of a hiccup now with the last shipment coming in, but we're going to have a bit of a review now come after January of what we're going to do with the business in total, whether we're going to continue doing shipments from Japan or what we're going to do, because at the minute we really need to make it viable. Is this another crash? I hope not. No, I just don't know. Busman's having a bit of a break. Doesn't want to sit in traffic all day. And here's a woman just fucking like, what are you doing? Why are you in the middle of the road? Just wait. Anyway, there's no like keep clear or anything there, by the way, so no. Anyway, the drivers are every time I've been out here today, there's been something questionable happening. So just as if you're a biker, just be aware. You know, keep vigilant. That's why I think, you know, you get a lot of these bikers that listen to music a lot of the times when they're riding. I don't think I could do that, just because my attention has to be on the road at all times. If I'm away singing with the fairies, and I don't know how useful I'm going to be at when someone jumps out in front of me. But anyway, we'll skip past these lights. I think this is Bill in front of us on his little scooter. He goes to Retro Bike Sub and he's getting a service from us on his Bergman 200. I think he's looking to upgrade it. How is he going to filter through here? I am. Let's see if I'm going to actually get in behind here. There we go. But yeah, she's really lovely. She's had these kind of day running indicators where they kind of stay on orange, and then when you flick them over, I might even have images of that, I'm not sure. I'll have b-roll of stuff. I'll be flicking it on throughout this video so that you'll be able to see. Just because the bike is so beautiful, I really think it deserves a bit of beauty shots for you to see it, and try to advertise it as best as I can to you guys. For me now, personally, in this digital age, like I said, I wouldn't buy a bike if it didn't have, you know, a video going with it, explaining it, whatever. If there's no care on the dealer side, why should I care if I'm a customer? That's how I think about it. But anyway, this has been the video on this Honda CB400SS Black 2007 with only 13,000 kilometers. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like, and also if you have any questions about the bike that I haven't answered in this video, please just do leave them down in the comment section and I'll get to them as fast as I can. As well as that, if you could subscribe for more motorcycle content in the future, that'd be great. Over and out.